Hello everyone, this is Akshay. Today I'm going to explain about the agile roles. There are basically three roles in that: the product manager, scrum manager, and the development team. So first, let's go to the introduction. Here in this slide, I will let you know the fundamental principles of agile methodologies. Agile is a modern software development approach designed to respond quickly to changes, prioritize teamwork, and deliver working software frequently. Unlike traditional methods such as the waterfall approach, Agile focuses on short, iterative development cycles called sprints. The Scrum framework are the most popular Agile methodologies. It, they operate through three distinct but independent roles, namely the product manager, the Scrum manager, and lastly the development team. Together, they promote transparency, adaptancy, and inspection, which are key pillars of Agile. Next, let's get to the first core role, which is the product owner. The product owner plays a strategic and business-oriented role in agile development. Their primary responsibility is to ensure that the team is always working on the most valuable feature from the customer's point of view. They act as the bridge between the stakeholders, that is the client or the management, and the technical team. The product owner defines what and why this feature and what matters to the business success. In a simulation or classroom exercises, the PO would take on the role of prioritizing features, maintaining clarity in objectives, and guiding the team towards delivering outcomes that provide tangible value. Essentially, this role ensures that all development efforts are aligned with business needs and customer satisfaction. Now let's move on to the Scrum Manager. The Scrum Manager is the glue that holds the Scrum process together. Unlike a traditional project manager, the Scrum Manager doesn't command and control, but rather guides and enables. They make sure that the Scrum framework is understood and implemented correctly. This role is to coach the team on agile best practices, ensures that the team members collaborate effectively, and remove any obstacles. The obstacles may be technical, procedural, or interpersonal that hinder the productivity. In a simulation exercise, the Scrum Master might act as a facilitator, keeping discussion focused during meetings, helping resolve conflicts, and making sure that the team remains motivated and aligned with agile principles. This role is critical in fostering an environment to trust accountability and continuous improvement. Now, let's move on to the development team. The development team is the engine of the Scrum framework. It is made up of professionals with diverse skills. Uh, they are basically the developers, designers, testers, and analysts who work together to transform the product owner's vision into the product. One key characteristic of the development is self-organization. There is no formal leader within the team. Instead, members decide collectively how to approach their work, distribute tasks, and meet sprint objectives. The team's success is measured by the delivery of potential shippable product increments at the end of each sprint. In a simulation context, this team would collaborate closely to develop small functional portions of a project, demonstrating how iterative delivery leads to steady progress and improved adaptability. Now, let's come to the conclusion. That is the takeaways from this. This this slide brings together all concepts discussed earlier and reflects on what we take away from the Agile role simulation. Through this exercise, each role, that is a product manager, scrum manager, and development team, learns how to interact, make decisions, and adapt in a dynamic environment. This simulation helps participants experience real-world agile scenarios where prioritizers shift Communication is constant and teamwork is essential. Ultimately, the goal is to collaborate and ultimately the goal is to demonstrate how collaboration and clear role understanding drive successful product delivery. It also reinforces how agile principles such as adaptability, feedback driven improvement, and customer focus create value in every iteration. Thank you. This comes to the end of my presentation. Thank you.